chicken strips are there for a reason. Do you like them spicy? Do you like them crunchy? Or what do you got the grilled chicken strips? What about grilled ones? Do you like the grilled ones? Okay, alright. Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. This is Naked Bike Mike. Back with you again. Congestion. I wonder why it's congested. You got the corona? Ooh, hey. We're out here. Going a reverse loop on the Henry Hagg Lake. And I listen to my stuff and I think, hey, this is not how I talk in real life. Not really. Not really. Not how I talk in real life. I just saw another Street Fighter, I think. I saw another Street Fighter. I don't know what that was. But we're out here. So yeah, my voice. This is how I normally talk. Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. My name is Mike. Yes, it is. Nice day today. Very sunny. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna do a video where I talk like a moron. Or I do that anyway. Anyway, yeah, I do it anyway. Anyway, I will talk like this. Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. This is Naked Bike Mike. Back with you again for a video here on my Ducati Streetfighter V4S Dark Stealth. And one thing I noticed that a lot of people, when they talk about this bike, this color, they mention that it's a dark stealth. It's obvious it's a dark stealth, okay? So this is the video. I'm going to talk like this the whole time. Hopefully this is not too much for you to handle. The excitement is real, my friends. The excitement is so real. And I'm behind an expedition that's white. We're out, we're riding the motorcycle, still breaking it in. Still breaking it in. Trying out the GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod, so I can make the media video in stunning 4K resolution. Is what we're doing here. I have to slow down now. I think my chain needs tensioning. I think. Not 100% certain, but I think it does. We'll see. But as we go along here, down the road, I hope you are enjoying this video as much as I am making it for you. Because I am dedicated to I can't function like that. I can't do it. Let's try to go back to it. I don't know. Let's try it. Hello again. How are you? Thing about riding on this bike is It just makes you wanna scream out, shout, wanna shout from the mountaintops to the riverbeds. That's what you want to do. You just want to scream about it because the adrenaline just rushes through your bones from, you know, the bike, just the whole thing, the thing and the thing and the thing, this and that goes up into your body, and you wanna just yell about it, just go crazy. Oh, that's not fun. I don't like bumps in the turn. Makes me upsets everything. Upsets me, upsets the bike. I'm really hoping that this setup works good. Just not this here. That's just kind of a side action trial thing. I'm talking about the stuff on my face. I'm hoping that it comes out good, the sound is good, and the video is good, and all that stuff, because it's a simple setup. Just plug right into the back of the media mod, and you're good to go as I go off the road. So this is hopefully what, moving forward, what I'm going to use. The Hero 9 and the thing, the media mods, modding it with the media. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I get the hang of this, something like that. Come on, man, figure this out. Stop being a moron. Oh, that wasn't good. There we go. Got the vibration dampener. I'm a weirdo. Yes, that's okay. Danger of falling. I'm falling in love with my bike. It's too late. The danger is real. I'm in love with the motorcycle. I'm in love with the Street Fighter. I'm in love with it. I'm in love with the Street Fighter and the quick shifting, the wind noises in my face. We'll find another spot for a picture. So what have I've done? Just a quick update for the modifications. We got the Ducati folding levers. I put those on. Wound up breaking the micro switch for the clutch, but because I'm an idiot. But anyway, yeah, I fixed it. You can see it with the JB Weld. This thing comes off very easy. The little lever, the little actuator popped off, pissed me off. And then we got the Ducati Performance turn signals that I was waiting for the Rizoma ones to show up, and they're back ordered, so I had these from when I had the Monster left over, so I wired them in, used the Rizoma mounting things, and they seem pretty good. They look nice for now. This one angled. Now that one wants to turn still. It's still loosey-goosey. Alright then. That's about it. Got the windshield or windscreen thing from Duca Bike. Did not like it. I thought it was going to be okay, but I went to put it on. I was like, it looks stupid. Not good. So, took it off, sent it back. Don't really need it. And that's it. Start it up. I don't know. Why is the fuel light on at 70 miles on a tank of gas? Especially when I'm not driving like a maniac. I'm just, you know, cruising along here. Doesn't make any sense. I'm confused. Once again, confused at the fact that the fuel light is on with less than 100 miles on the tank. Come on, man. Where's it going? Where's all the fuel going? Where's it going? Makes no sense at all that my fuel is so low already. Whatever. Hopefully I make it to a gas station. It's too much. You gotta get gas every 5 minutes. Can't plan a trip without having a gas station every 50 miles. What is going on? It's telling me my fuel economy is 40-something miles per gallon. I only went 2 gallons of gas, and now you're telling me I'm not gonna make it? That is ridiculous. And a man in my position cannot afford to be made to look ridiculous. That's alright. I should be able to make it. I think it's only about 10 more miles to the fuel station. The gas station. Pump it up. Pump up the volume. And away we go, my friends. So if you're liking my videos, if you like it what you see, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking it. Make a comment, like it, love it, all down there. Click on all the stuff, subscribe, whatnot, all that stuff. And we'll see you next time here on the Naked Bike, where I slow down. I'm getting into 30 miles an hour. Arrivederci, ciao, and goodbye, my friends, out here in the Gaston. Fruit smoothies, I'll see you later.